Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Leap Chess Timer with an easy method. First, power on your timer using the button on the side. Next, choose one of the many convenient preset time controls available. You can easily adjust the time for each player by pressing the plus or minus buttons. Once your desired settings are displayed, simply confirm them to start your exciting chess match. It's that simple to get going. For more personalized games, you can easily set custom time controls. Navigate to the Custom Settings menu, usually indicated by a gear icon. Here, you can precisely set the main time for each player, perhaps 20 minutes per side. You can also configure delay or increment options, like a 5-second delay, to suit your game style. Remember to save your unique custom profile so it's ready for your next match, making setup a breeze. During your game, operating the Leap Chess Timer is intuitive. Simply press the large top bar on your side to start your opponent's clock and stop your own. The clear digital display will always show the remaining time for both players, ensuring everyone knows the current status. If you need a break, you can easily pause the game at any point. To resume, just press the pause button once more, and the action continues. After a thrilling game, resetting your timer for the next match is straightforward. Look for the Reset button, often labeled R, to clear the current settings. Always keep an eye on the battery level indicator, typically found on the display, to avoid interruptions. When the low power warning appears, it's time to replace the two AA batteries to ensure continuous play. Proper storage will also help maintain your timer's longevity for many games to come.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.